Hello everyone, this is G-Shock High Fashion channel and welcome to another G-Vlog. Today I'm going to assemble the MUDMASTER that I just disassembled on my previous videos. At the same time, I'm just gonna explain a little bit more. So here is the hard case. First of all, just add this engine in the hard case just like that, and usually we'll use a needle like this and press down on the button so that the shaft actually touch the button, or the engine actually goes all the way in there. Look at that. Now it's already snug all the way in there. Could now begin to add this crown back in here like so, and press it. You're gonna hear a click like so, and now the crown's already into place. Look at that. I could pull it, I could screw it down, and if I want to remove it, I could pull it back. No, I'm sorry, don't pull it back, just unscrew it and then use a needle like this. Let me show you guys how to perform that again. With that, so it's a pretty tricky thing to do, but if I would recommend where you should place the needle, I would recommend you guys to look for the switch in between this 9 o'clock to 12 o'clock position of the holes over there. So that usually where the pusher will be to release the crown. It will automatically remove it just like that. So let me put this thing back in here carefully so I won't bend this crown shaft, and it should click like that and all back into place. Next thing is we need to add this sensor ribbon back into place as well, like so. Just add it in just like that, so easy. And make sure that the connector actually went all the way in there, and then you could just push the sensor from the outside like that, and that in turn will push the ribbon into the connector over there. And then use the same needle again to flip the switch or the hook back into place, and now the ribbons are locked in. So we're basically done with the hardest part of this whole process. Actually, let me screw the crown back in there. Alright, and then let us put this tab, this gray tab again in there like so. Next thing, and basically we are already finished in this step actually. So put this back plate in there, and now time to screw it back in. Next thing is put this metal tab back into place for it to push the sensor in there, and while holding it, done assembling the whole piece. Look at that, everything is still working fine. The buttons functioning just great. The light operation also, wait a minute, I'll try, should be good. Come on. Alright, sensor, altimeter working fine, compass also working fine. I hope you guys found this video a little bit useful, informative, and entertaining as well for your future reference. Leave a like if it does helping you, and also subscribe to see more G-Shock, G-Vlog videos like this coming up in the future. Thank you very much for watching. This is G-Shock High Fashion channel, and